Child of God, they will say many things against you as a Christian. Don't give up. They will be telling you that Christianity is this, Christianity is fake, Jesus is this, Jesus is that. Don't ever believe on them. This is exactly what Noah received. Noah received many insults to give up, but Noah said, no, I know the Lord that called me to build this ark, and that Lord, I will follow him. I will obey his word. I will follow him. I will never give up. And he that endure unto the end shall be saved. Noah endured for many years. He endured unto the end, and Noah was saved. All of them that had disobeyed the word of God, all of them were destroyed. In this time, my brother, my sister, don't allow them. The same thing they are telling you, mocking you, telling you that Christianity is fake, telling you that Jesus is a scam, telling you this. They will be bringing those pastors. Some pastors are fake. Some of those people that call themselves ministers of God, some of them, they are doing fake things. Yes, some of them are real, but sometimes they made a mistake. Those people, they will take that mistake, use it against Christianity. They will go to those people that are doing fake miracles, those false prophets. They will use them, telling you that Christianity is fake. Look at what this person is doing. Look at what this pastor is doing. They will using those fake pastors to judge Christianity. Don't believe on them. The same insult they are giving to you, insulting you, due to you believe in Jesus, due to you believe in the Son of Man. The same thing Noah. During the time of Noah, the same thing happened to him. During the time of Sodom and Gomorrah, Lot telling them, God want to destroy this city. He went to his in-law, please, let's come out. They are mocking at him. He have problem. The same thing is happening in this generation. Child of God, don't believe in them. Don't believe in them. As I said before, Jesus said in Matthew 24:13 that he that endure unto the end shall be saved. Don't allow them. Endure unto the end, you will be saved. Don't believe them. If they tell you that Christianity is a white man religion, don't believe on them. If they tell you that there's something like heaven or hell, don't believe on them. Don't believe on them. Satan has bring many warriors, evangelists, that will go and win souls. Jesus said in Matthew 24:13 that he that endure unto the end shall be saved. Because there will be battle in this end time. There will be battle that will make people to say heaven is not real, hell is not real. There are many battles that will come that will make people to believe Christianity is a scam. And many will backslide. Many will drop their Bible. Many will drop their Bible. And that is the battle. That is the time that we are into. He that endure unto the end shall be saved. My brother, my sister, no matter what you are seeing online, no matter those people that are saying Christianity is this, Christianity is this, don't believe on those people. We are in the last day. We are in the last battle between light and darkness. And the children of darkness out on social media to win souls to Satan, to convince many people that Christianity is a scam. And these people are succeeding. They are succeeding. You will see somebody, he will come online telling you Christianity is this, it's a scam. Jesus is this, Jesus is that. They will bring fake story, fake history. They will bring some history, turn it upside down against Christianity. When they will be saying it with the power that Satan gave to them. Because those people, they are evangelism. They are doing evangelism to win souls for the kingdom of darkness. And the kingdom of darkness give them power. When they will speak, if you're not careful, you will believe in them immediately. They are not preaching the word of Satan with ordinary power. The powers of darkness are backing them. Anybody that you see online speaking against Christianity, that person is not saying all those things with his own power. The powers of darkness have taken over. That person is winning souls to Satan. In that Matthew 24:12, Jesus said, iniquity shall abound on this earth. Iniquity will be everywhere, and the love of many shall wax cold. In verse 13, he said that, but he that endure unto the end shall be saved. Powers of sin will be taken over on this earth, and many people will backslide, and many people will backslide. And that is what is happening now. We are in the last battle between good and evil. We are in the last battle between light and darkness. We are in the last battle between God and Satan. We are living in the end time. He that endure unto the end shall be saved. You shall be saved. You will be saved. For the Lord of God that will come. You will be saved, that you will not go to hell. You will go to heaven. We are in the last battle. And this battle have conquered many Christians. I see many Christians online. They were Christians last 10 years ago, last 5 years ago, last 20 years ago. How will be Christian? They go to church, worship God, but all of a sudden in this battle, conquer them. The battle, the journey of heaven is not an easy journey. The journey of heaven is not an easy journey. Some people to make money, you work hard to get it. If you want to get money genuinely, you must work hard. You will follow the principle. Every journey is not an easy thing. Load that reigns in hellfire, the load of hell, is very wide. You will go that place as you like. You can commit fornication and adultery. You can do kidnapping.